Top investors watching your money. Joining me right now is ERShares CEO Joel Shulman, Walser Wealth Management President Rebecca Walser, and the Fitzgerald Group Principal Keith Fitzgerald. Great to see everybody this Wednesday morning. Thank you so much for being here. Businesses are likely going to be talking about this when they report earnings. That earnings period begins this week. We will also get the Consumer Price Index this morning at 8:30 a.m. What are you expecting in terms of the inflation story, and how do you invest around it?
Well, I mean, we're going to have probably, eye-popping numbers, 7% plus. Year over year, it's going to be 7% plus. We're taking off a low number from last year and injecting a new number, so that's higher. So we're going to see, these eye-popping numbers for a while, the highest we've seen in 4 decades. In terms of investing, I mean, what's interesting is that yesterday, after Fed Chairman Powell spoke, I mean, the highest growth stocks with the lowest earnings and big losses were the ones that soared yesterday, and today already pre-market, the market is up again, anticipating this news. So it's really kind of puzzling to a lot of investors. Why is the market responding this way? And so the best way, I think, to position it, particularly with earnings coming out, as you say, later this week, is to position companies that have steady growth. I mean, this is a good market for slow and steady. So steady growth, profit, cash flow. And consistently, beating expectations. And so we're going to see, high flyers, soaring and plummeting. We're going to see other stocks, some value stocks will do okay in this market. But I think slow and steady is probably the best way to position your investments in this market.
Morning. Thank you so much, Rebecca Walser, Keith Fitzgerald. Thank you so much. Joel Shulman, you're sticking around with us all morning. We're happy about that. Thank you, everybody.